everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1053 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this adorable mini sample size of the ARTIST COUTURE Plush Pout Gloss in the shade Shameless. So this is a product I got in my December 2020 Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm really excited to try this because I've never heard of the brand ARTIST COUTURE. And I love trying out new makeup brands, and also I love tinted glosses. I seriously wear a tinted gloss pretty much every day. My go-to lip look is a kind of nude lip liner with kind of a nude lip gloss. So this is seriously exactly what I would normally want to purchase. And it also has plumping qualities, which is something I also love in a lip gloss. I definitely feel like the lipstick trend these days is a colored gloss, which I'm really happy about because I find them to be flattering, comfortable, and a real go-to look for me. The only thing is that they come off so easily, so I'm constantly having to reapply. It's getting all over everything. That's my only complaint about the current lip trend. And so, of course, this is a sample size. The full-size version retails for $18. And if you want to see my December 2020 Ipsy Glam bag unbagging, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. It's crazy, I'm still waiting on my Ipsy Glam bag Ultimate. I'm also still waiting on my BoxyCharm Premium box, which I haven't even gotten notification that that's shipped. It's crazy how shipping is pretty delayed these days. So, ooh, it has that amazing mint scent, which reminds me of some of like my favorite plumping lip glosses, so it smells really good. And it has the type of applicator that I really like, which is kind of like the teardrop shape, but then it's open in the middle, so it holds a lot of product. And then since it's pointy, you can get pretty precise. So here you can see what that applicator looks like. Now let's see how it is on my lips. Gosh, this is actually super pigmented with just that one layer, and I get that full opaque color, and I love the color. It's very similar to my natural lip tone, so it's just kind of like my lips but better shade. Oh my gosh, I love this. It is such a pretty color, such an easy to wear, versatile, day to night, any occasion type of shade, but it is so super high shine. It's beautiful. And it does have that little cooling feeling, but it doesn't have like a tingling, burning, plumping feel. It's super easy and precise to apply, and it's very hydrating. Like, my lips were very chapped before I applied this, like always, and now they look and feel so hydrated. I wouldn't really say that this is extremely plumping. Like, I don't really notice much of a plumping effect, but since it has such a high shine, it gives the illusion of fuller lips anyways. But it is just so pretty, so enhancing, so comfortable. I love this. This is seriously exactly what I look for in my lip glosses. So you know I am going to be wearing this all the time. I love it. I definitely want to try out more products from the brand ARTIST COUTURE. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any, if there's any that you would recommend. And so this was the last product I had to try out for my December Ipsy Glam bag. And it's a really awesome bag because I love all of my products. I wasn't crazy about the Hanale lip treatment in clear. I definitely prefer this over that lip product, but the rest of my products are so good, and this one is so good. So my December Glam bag, even though it was all sample sizes, I'm happy with it after trying out my products. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.